Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be taking you through a process on how I printed on 100 pieces polling bag for my clients. Please do well to subscribe, like this video, comment and also share this video to your loved ones. If you are coming across my channel for the very first time, you are welcome. My name is Gifted Creation. Feel free to call me Gifted. In this channel we teach people skills that you can monetize. The name of this ink I'm using to print on this polling bag is called nylon ink and the color is called dark ink. I see a lot of people coming to my DM asking me, Gifted, can I learn screen printing online? How can I start up screen printing business? Did I need a shop to start up screen printing? How much is the material to start up screen printing business? All those questions, I will be answering them in this video. Who told you you can't learn screen printing online? Who told you you can't learn a skills online? You can learn a skills online. Who told you you need a shop to start up screen printing? You can be in the comfort of your home, be doing your screen printing business. Who told you the material they use to print on nylon, to print on woodies is cost? The material is not even cost. The things you need is just your merge, your nylon, your ink, the name of the ink, to know the details of the ink you want to use to print, and the difference between the ink for nylon and for fabric. I have a class that is going on that I will be teaching you the details about screen printing, how you can screen print on your fabric, how to screen print on nylon, how to screen print on your gift items. Here is the final printing. Yay! Look at my nylon now. Look at the printing now. Is this not beautiful? Is this not beautiful? Wow! This job was very urgent and I delivered this job the next day before I travel. Please do well to subscribe to get notified anytime I post new videos. See you in my next video. Bye.